Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the small round rail extended mounting system for installation of accessories on the vessel. This system is necessary for organizing compactly mounted accessories on the watercraft. The design consists of the aluminum tube, which is the main part of the design, where mounting systems for tube and rails are installed. You can fix it in the mount that was pre-installed on the watercraft, with the help of the adapter that is located at the central part of the system. It can be rotated to any angle required for adjustment. The tilting angle is 30 degrees. Accessories are mounted on the upper mounts using the standard mounting system. Just open the protective plug, open the mount and fix the accessory. The end plugs of the tube allow you to install the mount with the side T-bolt, which lets extending this mounting system for accessories. All mounts, except the central one, can be rotated on the tube to the comfortable position of the accessory, which is necessary while using. For immovable fixation, use provided side screws. You can remove the mounting system by pressing the mount. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.